Good morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. In the previous class, you have learnt real numbers. Today also I am continuing the same chapter 2, real numbers. Today I am going to teach 4 basic operations on z's. Today I am going to teach 4 basic operations on z's. Addition and subtraction of z's. In the previous class itself I have explained. Like z's can be added and subtracted using the following rules. A into nth root of b plus or minus c into nth root of c, nth root of b is equal to a plus or minus c into nth root of b. If we want to add or subtract, the order as well as radicand should be equal. Then only we can add or subtract. Multiplication and division of sets. Like sets can be multiplied or divided using the following rules. Nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab. For multiplication, only the order should be equal. Here, if the radicand equal or not equal, we can multiply. Nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab. Next, a into nth root of b into z nth root of d is equal to, we have to multiply the number coefficient az into nth root of bd, nth root of bd. It is the multiplication property. Next, nth root of a by nth root of b is equal to nth root of a by b, nth root of a by b. A into nth root of b by c into nth root of d is equal to, first we have to divide the coefficient a by c to nth root of b by d, nth root of b by d. Now I am going to explain example 2.22. Add 3 root of 7 and 5 root of 7. Check whether the sum is rational or irrational. Add 3 root 7 and 5 root 7. Check whether the sum is rational or irrational. Second one, subtract 4 root 5 from 7 root 5. Is the answer rational or irrational? We can do the first problem. 3 root 7 plus 5 root 7. What's the coefficient of this? 3. Here what is the coefficient? 5. Check the order. Here order is 2. Here also order 2. What's the radicand? Radicand 7. 7. So we can add. So we can add these two numbers. How we can add this? The previous class itself I have explained this. How we got to add? 3 plus 5. The coefficient of this 3. Here coefficient is 5 root 7. 3 plus 5 root 7. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 root 7. Now this number is rational or irrational? Irrational number. It is rational or irrational? Irrational number. Therefore, the answer is irrational. The answer is irrational. Then the second part, second question. Subtract 4 root 5 from 7 root 5. 4 root 5 from 7 root 5. It's equal to 7 root 5 minus 4 root 5. From means this number only first we have to write. 7 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Now we check this. Number is order also same. Here radicand also same. So we can subtract the coefficient 7 minus 4 into root 5. 7 minus 4 into root 5. It's equal to 3 root 5. The answer is rational or irrational? Irrational. The answer is irrational. The answer is irrational. Now, example 2.23. Simplify the following. Square root of 63 minus square root of 175 plus square root of 28. First one. Square root of 63 minus square root of 175 plus square root of 28. Now, already I have explained. If we have to add means the radicand as well as order should be equal. Now here you check it. Here what's the order? Everywhere order is 2. What's the order? Order is 2. But the radicand here 63 here what's the radicand? 175 here what's the radicand? 28. The radicand is not equal. But whether we can simplify this? Yeah, we can write this in the simplest form. Root 63. First we have to write in the simplest form. When we are factorizing 63, which table we can factorize this 63? Yeah, 3 table we can factorize this. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Next again we can factorize where? 3 table. 7 3s are 21. Now this is also prime number. So we can factorize with 7 table. 1 7 is 7. So we can write this 3 square into 7 is correct. This 2 3 square into 7. Next square root of 175. Can we factorize this 175? Yeah, we can factorize this 175. Which table, which prime number we can factorize first? 5 table. We can factorize with 5 table. 5. When we are factorizing with 5, what will we get? 1 5 is 5. 2 5 are 10. 3 5 are 15. How much balance? 2 balance. Next, 5 5 are 25. Again we can factorize with 5 table. Again we can factorize this. So how many times? 7 5s are 35. Now again 1 7 is 7. It's equal to 5 square into 7. 5 square into 7. Next 28. Whether we can factorize this 28? Yes, we can factorize this 28 with which table? 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Again we can factorize with 2 table. Again we can factorize with 2 table. So 7 2s are 14. Again when we are factorizing with 7 table, 1 7 is 7. This we can write root of 2 square into 7. Root of 2 square into 7. Next, root of a into b is equal to, nth root of a into b is equal to nth root of a into nth root of b. When we are using that, square root of 3 square into 7, square root of 7 minus square root of 5 square into root 7 plus square root of 2 square into root 7. It's equal to 3 root 7, 5 root 7. This here order as well as power same. Here also order as well as power same. So 3 root 7 minus 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. Now check these three numbers. What's the order? Everywhere order is 2. What's the radicand? Everywhere order radicand is 7. So we can add and as well as subtract also. These three numbers we can simplify now. How we can simplify? Yeah, 3 minus 5 plus 2 root 7. Is it correct? What's the coefficient? Everywhere coefficient, write it. 3 minus 5 plus 2 root 7. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 root 7. 0 root 7 is equal to 0. 0 root 7 is equal to 0. Can you understand this? Can you able to understand this? First we have to write in the simplest form. Simplest form when we are writing. Here we are getting root 63 is equal to 3 root 7. Root 175 is equal to 5 root 7. Root 28 is equal to 2 root 7. We have to write the coefficient first. 3 minus 5 plus 2 into root 7 is equal to 3 plus 2. 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 root 7. 0 root 7 is equal to 0. Then the second number 2 cube root of 40 plus 3 cube root of 625 minus 4 cube root of 325. We have to simplify this. 2 cube root of 40 plus 3 cube root of 625 minus 4 cube root of 320. Now check this. 3 also order. Here everywhere order is 3, but the radicand is different. We can write this in the simplest form. How we can write in the simplest form? 40 we have to factorize. When we are factorizing this 40, what will we get? 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 0. Again we can factorize with 2 table, 5 2s are 1 2 is 2, 0. Next again 2 table, 5 2s are. So we can write this 2 into cube root of, here also 5 1. So this three numbers 2 2 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube. 2 cube into 5 plus again 625. Can we factorize this? 625. Yes, we can factorize that. 625. When we are factorizing, what we are getting? Which table? Yeah, 5 table we can factorize. 1 5 is 5. 1 balance. Next 2 5s are 10. Next 2 balance 25. 5 5s are 25. Again we can factorize with 5 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 balance 25. 5 5s are 25. Again we can factorize with 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Again we can factorize with 5 table. 1 5 is 5. How we can write it? This 3. 5 cube into 5. We can write this. Why? The order is 3. So we have to write 3 5 together. So 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 cube. This 5 we have to write simply. So we can write 3 into cube root of 5 cube into 5. 3 cube root of 5 cube into 5. Now again we have to factorize this 320. 20. When we are factorizing this 320, what will be get? 320 when we are factorizing. We can factorize with 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 1 balance. 6 2s are 12. Next 0. Again we can factorize with 2 table. 8 2s are 16. 0. Again we can factorize with 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 0. Next again we can factorize with 2 table. 2 0. Again we can factorize with 2 table 10. Next 2 table factorizing time 5 2s are 10. Again we can factorize with 5 table 1 5 is 5. 3 numbers together taking time 2 cube into 2 cube. We can write this 2 cube into 2 cube. This 5 we cannot write as power of 3. So we can write this 5 alone. So we can write 4 into cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 5. Clear this? When we are factorizing this 40, 2 cube into 5. When we are factorizing 625, 5 cube into 5. When we are factorizing 320, 2 cube into 2 cube into 5. It's equal to 2 here. Cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5 plus 3 cube root of 5 cube into cube root of 5 minus 4 into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5. Here the power as well as order same. So we can cancel. Here we cannot cancel. Why? The power is not equal to the order. Here also we can cancel this. Here also we can cancel. Here also we can cancel. So what we are getting? 2 into 2 into cube root of 5. Next 3 into 5 into cube root of 5. Next minus 4 into 2 into 2 into cube root of 5. It's equal to 2 into 2 into cube root of 5. Next 3 into 5 into cube root of 5. Cube root of 5. Next minus 4 into 2 into 2 into cube root of 5. Now here you see that 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 into cube root of 5. Next 5 3s are 15, 15 into cube root of 5. Next 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 minus 16 cube root of 5. 4 cube root of 5 plus 15 cube root of 5 minus 16 cube root of 5. Now you check it. Here all everywhere. The order is 3. Radicand also equal. Radicand is 5. Order is 3. Radicand is 5. So if the order and radicand equal means only we can add or subtract. How can we write it? Yeah, 4 plus 15. We have to add the coefficient. 4 plus 15 here. Symbol is minus 16 cube root of 5. 4 plus 15, 19 is equal to 19 minus 16 into cube root of 5. 19 minus 16 is 19 minus 16. 3 cube root of 5. 3 cube root of 5 is the answer for that. Once again, shall I explain this? 2 cube root of 40 plus 3 cube root of 625 minus 4 cube root of 320 is equal to 2 into here. This 40 is equal to, here order is 3, so we have to write as the power of 3. So 2 cube into 5. Okay, 5 we cannot write as the power of 3. So we are writing this 5 alone. Next, 3 into cube root of 625 is equal to 5 cube into 5. Next, minus 4. This cube root of 320 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 5. It's equal to 2. Here we can write it. Nth root of a into b is equal to nth root of a into nth root of b. So 2 into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5. Next 3 into cube root of 5 cube into cube root of 5 minus 4 into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5. Here the order and power same. So cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2. Cube root of 5 cube is equal to 5. Cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2. Cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2. Here the order and power are not same. So we have to write the same. Cube root of 5. Here also cube root of 5. Here also cube root of 5. Now it's equal to 2 into 2 into cube root of 5 plus 3 into 5 into cube root of 5 minus 4 into 2 into 2 into cube root of 5. 2 2s are 4 into cube root of 5 plus 15 cube root of 5 minus 16 cube root of 5 is equal to, what's the coefficient? 4 plus 15 minus 16 into cube root of 5 is equal to 19 minus 16 cube root of 5 is equal to 3 cube root of 5. Now I am going to explain exercise 2.6 first problem. Simplify the following using addition and subtraction properties of z. 4 into cube root of 5 plus 2 into cube root of 5 minus 3 into cube root of 5. Their second problem. 4 cube root of 5 plus 2 cube root of 5 minus 3 cube root of 5. Here you check these three numbers. What's the order of this? 3, 3, 3. Here what's the radicand? 5, 5, 5. So this 3 also like such. Is it like such? We can add or subtract. Is it? So how can we? What's the coefficient of this? Coefficient 4. Here coefficient is 2. Here coefficient is 3. So we have to write 4 plus 2 minus 3 into cube root of 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3 into cube root of 5 is equal to 3 cube root of 5. It's equal to 3 cube root of 5. Then the fourth problem. Now I am going to do the first and second, third problem you have to do as homework. The fourth problem. 5 cube root of 40 plus 2 cube root of 625 minus 3 cube root of 320. In the previous problem itself, we have factorized this 40, cube root of 40, cube root of 40. Cube root of 40, how can we write? Cube root of 2 cube into 5. Next plus 2 into cube root of 625. Already we have factorized 625. How can we write? Cube root of 5 cube into 5. minus 3 cube root of 320. 320 how can we write? Cube root of 2 cube into next 2 cube into 5. So it's equal to 5 cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5 plus 2 next cube root of 5 cube into cube root of 5 minus 3 cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5. So it's equal to cube root of 2 cube is 2. Cube root of 5 cube 5. Cube root of 2 cube 2. Cube root of 2 cube 2. It's equal to 5 into 2 cube root of 5 plus 2 into 5 cube root of 5. Next minus 3 into 2 into 2 cube root of 5. It's equal to 5 2s are 10 cube root of 5. Next 2 5s are 10 cube root of 5. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12 cube root of 5. So here what's the coefficient of this? Here coefficient is 10. Here coefficient is 10. Here coefficient is 12 minus 12 into cube root of 5. 10 plus 10 20. It's equal to 20 minus 12 cube root of 5. 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 cube root of 5. Can you understand this? Can you understand? Okay. Now I am going to explain example 2.24. Multiply cube root of 40 and cube root of 16. We have to multiply, that is cube root of 40 into cube root of 16. First we have to write the simplest form of cube root of 40. Cube root of 40, when we are factorizing 40, already we factorized. So 20, next again 2 table 10, again 2 table 5, again 5 table 1. So equal to cube root of 2 cube into 5 into next 16. Can we factorize this 16? Yeah, we can factorize. Next 2 table 8, 2 table 4, again 2 table we can factorize 2, again 2 table when we are factorizing 1 2 is 2. So how can we write 2 cube into 2? Can you understand this? Next, so we can write this cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5 into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2. Here the power as well as order same. Here also power and order same. So how can we write it? 2 cube root of 5. Next into 2 cube root of 2. Already I have explained, for multiply or divide, order should be equal. Radicand, if it is may or may not be equal. Okay, order should be equal, but the radicand may or may not be equal. If it is equal or not equal, we can multiply. How we have to multiply? How we have to multiply? A into nth root of B into C into nth root of D means D is equal to AC into nth root of BD. It is the multiplication property. When we are using that, what we are getting? 2 into 2. Next, cube root of 5 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2. Next, cube root of 5 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Cube root of 5 2s are 10. 4 cube root of 10. Can you understand? Very easy problem. First, cube root of 40 is equal to cube root of 2 cube into 5. Cube root of 16 is equal to cube root of 2 cube into 2. Now we can write cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 5. Next, cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2. Here 2 cube root of 5. Here 2 cube root of 2. It's equal to 2 into 2 cube root of 5 into 2. 2 2s are 4 into cube root of 10. Can you understand this? Now I am going to give 2 problems as homework. You have to complete the homework problem. Exercise 2.6. First one. Simplify the following using addition and subtraction property of z's. First one, 5 cube root of square root of 3, 18 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Here easy problem. This here also order, radicand same. So we can take the which one coefficient 5 plus 18 minus 2 into square root of 3. This problem, third problem. First we have to convert into simplest form. Convert into simplest form and we have to do that. Can you do this 2 problem as homework? Okay. Thank you students.